In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to reset your forgotten Apple ID password. So this is going to be a step-by-step process, so make sure you follow along. And the first thing I want to direct your attention to is the fact that you might not even be able to sign out, okay? So you can see currently I'm signed in, even though I can't remember my password and I can't find it anywhere, I'm still signed in, okay? And if I try to sign out, so let's go ahead and try to sign out, it actually may ask for your Apple ID password, which you've forgotten, so you can't even sign out. But then you will see the option called forgot password. Okay, so tap on that and it's going to ask for your Apple ID, I mean your iPhone's passcode. And once you enter your iPhone's passcode, assuming you haven't forgotten your passcode, it's gonna allow you to now enter a new Apple ID password. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're now creating a new password. Okay, don't put in the old one, which obviously you can't remember. Let's go ahead and set a new password for our Apple ID. So once you type it, just come here and tap on retype password and then type it once again. And then tap on continue. Now, I got this error message telling me to choose a different password because your new password must be different to the one to one of the passwords you have used in the last year. So that is one rule that you have to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a different password. I'll delete both and then select a different password and then retype that new password and then hit continue and hope this time it's going to work. There you go. It says the password has been changed. And yeah, just tap on done. And now you have a new Apple ID password. This is a password for your iCloud account as well. So let's go and finish the process of signing out so that we can even have an opportunity to test our new password. So let's finish signing out. Now, obviously, you don't have to go through this entire process. You can just use a browser to reset your password as well, which I'll show you in a bit. Now that you're signed out, let's try and sign back in and see if our password works. So let's tap on sign in manually and then let's sign in afresh. Enter the username and then tap on continue and then type in the password and then tap on done. There you go. So now we are signed in and we know our password. Now, to prevent yourself from forgetting your password in future, there are a couple of places you might want to save that password. Now, at this point, it's going to ask for the iPhone passcode. Let's go ahead and enter our iPhone passcode and link everything up. And as I was saying, there are places you can save your iCloud password so that you never forget it again. You can save it in the Google Password Manager. You can even save it on your iPhone's password manager, because iPhones, at least from iOS 17 and even older versions, had dedicated they have dedicated password managers. So make sure you just save your password there, and all you have to do is authenticate yourself using Face ID, and you can see your password in plain text anytime. I'll show you how to do that in just a bit. So the signing process is finished, and now before you forget your password again, like I was saying, let's go to the passwords app. This is a dedicated passwords app on any iPhone. Just go there, authenticate with Face ID, and then come here and tap. So this is the home page of that app. Okay, so when you launch it, it looks like that. Tap on all and you can see all your passwords, and then you can tap on the plus symbol and then save your password. Okay, so let's call it Apple ID, and then you can put in your Apple ID username, your Apple ID password, and then save. So let's do that, and then let's do that, for instance, just for example, and then tap on save. So make sure you put in your correct username and password and tap on save. And so from now on, anytime you forget your Apple ID password, you can just come to the passwords app, authenticate using Face ID or fingerprint, and you can see your password there. All right. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.